Here's how to prepare a Base44 app for the Apple App Store, generate an iOS app package, complete the required App Store Connect setup, and submit the app for Apple's review in just 3 minutes. Today, I will show you in a step-by-step guide so you can get your app ready for Apple's review with fewer surprises. First, open your Base44 app in the editor and publish the latest version. You'll see the Publish button at the top of the editor. Once the newest version is live, open the Mobile Apps section and run the App Store Readiness Scan. Your screen will show a readiness score along with any critical or recommended issues. You do not need a perfect score, but you should fix every critical issue before continuing. Apple is generally stricter than Google Play because it requires more developer credentials, additional privacy and review information, and often performs a more detailed review before approving an app. Next, resolve any critical issues and run the scan again until they're cleared. Then, select Create App Store Files. You'll be asked for your issuer ID, key ID, team ID, and the .p8 API key from App Store Connect. Enter those details to generate your iOS app package. After that, sign into Apple Store Connect and create a new app. You'll enter your app name, language, platform, and bundle information. Now upload the generated IPA using Apple's upload process and wait for it to finish processing. Once the upload is complete, fill in everything required App Store listing section. Add your app description, screenshots, support URL, privacy policy, age rating, app privacy details, review information, and any required declarations. This is the part Base44 skips. Base44 creates the IPA and checks your app for readiness, but it does not upload your app, complete Apple's required forms, or submit the release for you. Next, review every warning and submit the app for review. If Apple rejects the app because your legal pages cannot be accessed, make sure your privacy policy and terms of use are publicly available before users sign in. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Publish your Base44 app, wrap it with a compatible solution like Capacitor, build and sign the iOS app, upload the IPA through App Store Connect, and complete the submission there. Once everything is set, your app will appear in App Store Connect as submitted or under review, and once approved, it will have a public App Store listing that users can install. Following these simple steps makes publishing a Base44 app on the App Store quick and easy.